Greenhouse effect. Alright, so without any further ado, let us proceed to our topic. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. The greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, trap heat similar to the glass roof of the greenhouse. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warms up in the sunlight. At night, Earth's surface cools, releasing heat back into the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. That's what keeps our Earth warm and causes 58 degrees Fahrenheit or 14 degrees Celsius on average. Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere, hitting the planet, but then absorb and re-radiate the infrared radiation or heat the planet emits. Anything warmed radiates energy related to its temperature. The sun at about 5,500 degrees Celsius or 9,930 degrees Fahrenheit sends most as visible and near-infrared light, while Earth's average surface temperature about 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit emits longer wavelength infrared radiant heat. How does the greenhouse effect work? As you might expect from the name, the greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and a glass roof, as you can see in the picture. Greenhouses are used to grow plants. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during the winter. In the daytime, sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. At nighttime, it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. That's because the glass walls of the greenhouse trap the sun's heat. The term greenhouse effect comes from a flawed analogy comparing this to transparent glass allowing sunlight into greenhouses, but greenhouses mainly retain heat by restricting air movement, unlike this effect. How are humans impacting the greenhouse effect? So human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. By burning fossil fuels like coal and oil puts more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. NASA has observed increases in the amount of carbon dioxide and some other greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Too much of these greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat. This causes Earth to warm up. So what reduces the greenhouse effect on Earth? Just like a glass greenhouse, Earth's greenhouse is also full of plants. Plants can help to balance the greenhouse effect on Earth. All plants, from giant trees to tiny phytoplankton in the ocean, take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon due to wrong human activities such as clearing forests, burning fossil fuels, releasing industrial gas in the atmosphere, etc. The emission of greenhouse gases is increasing. Thus, this has in turn resulted in global warming. The ocean also absorbs a lot of excess carbon dioxide in the air. Unfortunately, the increased carbon dioxide in the ocean changes the water, making it more acidic. This is called ocean acidification. More acidic water can be harmful to many ocean creatures, such as certain shellfish and coral. Warming oceans from too many greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can also be harmful to these organisms. Warmer waters are main cause of coral bleaching. And these are the greenhouse effect advantages and disadvantages. Without Earth's natural greenhouse effect, the Earth would be more than 30 degrees Celsius or 54 degrees Fahrenheit colder.